All right. Let me show you quickly how to utilize this strategy. All right, let me pull this up. All right. This is on the MT4 platform. I'm gonna switch back over to the trading view to show you how to use the strategy. But in the video, I stated that you can trade zone to zone, which is like this is a zone here. You can see that this is the most high and this is the most low. You can trade this box to this box, or because I got the 200 moving average there. So this is a swing low. That's a swing high. That's a swing low. That's a swing high. That's a swing low. You got low, high, low, or low, lower high, low, lower high, lower, low, lower high. Zone to zone, or you can trade cross to cross. So this is what I was saying, right? We're on a 5-minute chart, and this is exactly. Oh, matter of fact, can't go by this time. This time is off. You got to cross here on this candle, all right? Really on this candle because it was up here and it crossed. So in between here and there, I'm show you. I'm zoom in a little more so you can see the cross. So let's say you would have put your trade in here and you see that the market starts to go down. You could have put it in at the cross, and boom, you would have been here at the bottom of your trade. Price would have shot up there. All right. This parabolic SNR dot confirmed your downtrend for the cross. So you would have a cross here. I can't really lock onto it, but you would have a cross. All right. You would get an alert from your trading view, and you wouldn't put the trade in until you get your first parabolic SAR dot over your price. When the parabolic SNR is over price, it's considered a downtrend. When the parabolic SNR is wrong one. When the parabolic SNR is under, it's considered an uptrend. But it's all these indicators are lagging indicators. To use the parabolic SNR's as a confirmation, you have to get a cross. You have to get something that indicates that change in direction is coming. All right. So like I said, you got to cross here on the last parabolic dot. The second one was here, and you could have entered your trade just off the dot, and you could have held it all the way until you started seeing these dots here, or you could have held it all the way until you seen the next cross happen. All right, so that's what that looks like there. Let's go on over to trading view and get a quick glance of what's going on over here. All right, and I'm gonna show you. Remember what I said? Come up here, hold the candle tab, switch your candles from candles to Helkanashi candles, and then you're good to go over here. So you can see I'm a cloak price real quick. Right? You got to cross here. All right? So from here to here was a good trade, and from here to here was a good trade. So let's say you're trading on an uptrend, all right? Give me a minute because I'm trying to understand why my SNR is a little bit different from. Give me a minute. 4. Change this to 4 just to see what that does. Alright, so we got some things going on here. Okay. Zoom out. And we're good to go. Alright. So like I said, you got to cross here, but you can't use the parabolic SNR as a confirmation to enter because the time frame has a lot of noise. But like I said, these crosses are pretty much accurate. So you got to trade it cross to cross or zone to zone, which is the high up here and the low down here. You can trade it zone to zone. Now the reason that I say this layouts chart here is accurate is because, all right, give me a quick moment here. I want to switch this to the 1 minute, and I want to switch this to the 5 minute. But then this pair is also off. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I trade euro, I trade United States dollar versus pesos because it's volatile, and you know, I make it work. So I match up the clocks. Try my best to match up the clocks. You know, we're gonna zoom out here. Same thing we're gonna do here. I'm gonna put the 12 o'clock tab here. Alright, actually I'm gonna zoom out because this is what I want to show you. You trade in the 5-minute chart and you got the parabolic SNR with the confirmation with a cross and the parabolic. See, I just got an alert for the Euro USD on the 30 that the one just crossed the 3 moving average. So like I said, you would have got a cross here. Let's zoom out on this chart. I want you to see where it is, where it happens on the 1 minute. You would have got your cross here on the first cross with the parabolic SNR down here. Alright, cross, first dot in the parabolic SNR. Now if you look at the bottom chart and you look at the top chart, the 1 minute chart shows, wait a minute, the 1 minute chart shows the cross happened here, up top, where it says the 4th of November, 9:45, the cross happened there, and you see how it's too much noise on the 1 minute chart. You can use this on the 5-minute chart and better your entries. So now this gives you a direct entry that is continued for an uptrend, and it didn't stop until the next parabolic SNR dot came, which showed you that it was ready for a downtrend. So if you look from the 1 minute, to make sure your entry is accurate, which it is, and you go up all the way into the next parabolic dot on the 5-minute chart, you know, oh snaps, that's why these look different. Give me a minute. I knew it was something off. I'm at Euro USD. It's supposed to be GPB. I'm sorry. Alright, so yeah. 5-minute chart, you got a cross down here. Happened, which was perfect. You could, like I said, just listen to the cross. Sometimes it's accurate. If you know that it exhausted itself, it's still going. But if you look here at the cross, on the 1 minute chart, the parabolic is still going up on the upward motion. So you got to cross here, and price continue to range and come up. So from just the cross, which was 29,642 to the top, to the next parabolic. I want to go to cross. I trade cross to cross. Yeah, it looked like about 1,000 pips. So the 1,000 pips you could have just caught right there in the 5-minute chart, and you would have jumped in for a sell trade off the 5-minute. Now, here's how to get higher entries. All right, I trade the 30 and the 1 hour chart. All right, so current price is here, right? Give me a minute. Current price happened here. Cross happened here, and you can see where it is on the 30-minute chart. I got the cross for the 30-minute, and I would have rolled it all the way up. And you can see right here where this cross happened is easy. So now let's come up here. You got a cross at 29,389, and it went all the way until 30,353, 29,289. I think that's what it was. It's about 1,000 pips right here. 1,000 pips you'd have just caught just from trading cross to cross. On top of, like I said, zone to zone is cool if you know price action. But if you don't know price action, then you can simply just trade cross to cross, with the confirmation being your parabolic SNR. But your cross to cross is going to be a lot more accurate than the parabolic SNR is. Alright, because I have the 1 moving average set as price, and I have the 3 moving average set as divergence. Alright. I only got about 30 more seconds on this video, so I'm gonna come back down here. I'm gonna come down to the 30-minute chart, and I'm gonna just show you some things here. All right, I'm gonna bring back price. Boom. We're gonna go to current time frame in a minute, and current time frame is here. I see it crossed I got a cross here, but it's still considered a part of the parabolic SNR. I believe price is going to continue to come down up until this range. This is top, this is swing high, this is swing low, and where price is now is considered range. So price already came from the swing high to the swing low. I believe that price is touching range to try to test this 200 line. All right, you can see we got a touch here, we got a touch here. It might come back down for another touch. So I believe that price is actually in for a sell trade and is going to hold that sell trade for the next 2 hours until it get as close as it can to this 200 line. So I hope you understand or got a better understanding of the video. Like I said, you can trade cross to cross, or you can trade price action zone to zone. But like I said, you use the parabolic SNR on a higher time frame to confirm the direction of trend, or however you determine trend. You could determine that first and then just trade cross to cross. You know, let me know if this video was simple for you. If not, I'll try to make a live video to go over everything. But you know, this is pretty much simple. It's either cross to cross or zone to zone. How you exit your trade is either cross to cross or cross the parabolic SNR dot. The opposite, like I said, cross here. You got to cross here, parabolic dot going all the way up. So you want to exit your trade until the next parabolic dot. So from cross to parabolic dot. From cross to parabolic dot. Boom.